Hi everyone. So here is the materials that you need for um, December 11, 2020. As we're gonna be doing conferences that day, this is the work that you need to make sure that you do. So I'm gonna go over the slides that we're gonna that you're gonna work on independently. So just like a normal day, you're gonna take care of a do now. You're gonna the lesson that you're covering today on your own is Jackson and the Native Americans, his relationship with Native Americans. Um, and make sure that you read the lesson framing. Go over the vocabulary. The vocabulary will be helpful for your mastery check. There's two sets of the vocabulary, and then make sure that you continue to identify and find the document that you need to do. Here's the central question that you need to answer. The document is the first inaugural address of Andrew Jackson. This is when he became president. This is the speech that he's given to the American people. So Jackson makes a series of promises to the American people that you need to identify in this text. So you're gonna go with part number one, part number two, and part number three of the promises that Jackson is making. And last but not least, you're gonna go to Edulastic and find this mastery check. It's called Buyers SSA underscore 3.7 underscore MC. And so the important thing about this is that this is a way for me to identify whether or not you did this work. So you need to make sure that you take care of that. The one thing that I'm trying to like help you out here is that I am setting it up for the mastery check for you to be able to take it twice. So if you do it and you didn't do well and you're like, man, I just wish I would have done I would have done better. You're gonna have a second chance to do that. So make sure that when you do the mastery check, you give it your best because this handout is gonna go in the grade book. So this score is gonna go in the grade book. Okay. Have a good day.